We are at ASP conference, Fort Worth, Dallas in the USA, and I'm pleased that I got a chance to attend a presentation of About Anexas. Today he presented about a lean integration of RPA with Lean Six Sigma, and I'm very happy and I like it because it's a blend. The knowledge was blended very well. So it's a combination of basic and it's slowly moved towards the advanced concept, because at CPHQ the attendees are very diverse. Like some are quality professionals or quality engineer, they are working in the manufacturing line on the floor, they have no idea what that technology is, and some of the attendees are someone like me who is from software industry. So we have idea about what is artificial intelligence and how it works, but he did a very good presentation relating the actual business with artificial intelligence, with the technology, and make people realize the importance of technology in everybody's life, especially with the quality profession, how you can improve quality, how you can predict by using artificial intelligence, and you can do your actions proactively. So why wait for something to happen and then do an actions to correct it? So why not act proactively and by looking at the data from machine learning?
Happy learning! Thanks for taking out time to watch this video. To learn more, check out our other videos. Link is given in the description below. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and have a great day. For more information you can write to us on inquiry@anexas.net.